A red wine sauce goes well with oysters, so we'll make some.
I'll get some red wine.
Yes, and we also need a bottle of red wine vinegar, a sprig of thyme, and half a bay leaf.
Yes, chef. The red wine vinegar is on the shelf above the sink. Thyme and bay leaf should be in the fridge. Yes, here they are.
We only need 30 millilitres of the red wine vinegar. Here's a measuring jug for you.
Okay. Needs a drop more. There we go, 30 millilitres.
Good. Now we put the vinegar, thyme and bay leaf in a saucepan and reduce it.
Is that it?
No, we need to add some port and red wine.
More alcohol?
That's right, 60 millilitres of port and a glass of red wine. So about 150 millilitres. Use the measuring jug again.
I hope the customers don't eat too much of this sauce.
Now the sauce is starting to boil. We'll take it off the heat.
Is it ready now?
Nearly. All we need to do is add some chopped shallot and chives.
Okay, I'll just find a paring knife.
Add those chives and chopped shallots to the sauce, and that's it. Just serve it over the oysters with some brown bread.
Delicious!